my ring. Hello? Yes, this is Captain Andy speaking. Who's calling? Christie's Bread. Christie's Bread. Good. I'm always glad to hear from you. And what have you got to tell me today? What's that? Oh, there's been a nice fresh batch of Christie's Brown and Serve twins delivered to all the stores. You mean the Christie's Brown and Serve twin loaf that you put in the oven, heat up, and that wonderful aroma of freshly baked bread just seems to permeate the whole house? Certainly, I can tell our viewers. And thanks for calling. Goodbye now. Oh, say, I guess you already heard me talking about Christie's Brown and Serve twin loaf. But did you know they are so easy to prepare? You just preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Separate the loaves, brush with melted butter, and place on a baking sheet in the oven for 15 minutes. Allow to cool for about 10 minutes before slicing. And if you like old-fashioned homemade style bread, this is what to get. Of course, there are substitutes, but none, absolutely none, with the Christie's touch.